Welcome everyone to week 3. Um, had a little bit of a snow day or a couple snow days this week actually. So I hope you were able to be warm inside, but still staying up with your coursework. So here in week 3, we're going to be moving on into chapter 3 actually. We're going to have chapter 3 spread out over 2 weeks. We're going to start learning about measures of central tendency. So some things that you're probably familiar with: mean, median, and mode. But we're going to introduce a couple other things and dive a little bit deeper into what they mean and what they tell us about the data. So we're going to tie those in with what we learned about graphing in chapter 2. Your chapter 2 project is going to be due on Wednesday, and then you're going to start right away working on that chapter 3 project. It's going to be using the same data that you use, the same variables that you chose for chapter 2, you're going to use for chapter 3, but you're going to tie it in now with measuring the data instead of just looking at graphs of the data. Also, I wanted to show you around a little bit in ALEKS because some of you had some questions. So I'm going to share my screen. So you can see I'm in ALEKS. This is a fake student here. And I didn't do so well here on my initial knowledge check. But that's okay because it doesn't matter where you start, it's where you finish. And most of you should be low because you're coming into this course with not having a lot of background in statistics. So I would not go to start my path because it's going to have you work until the cows come home working on these lessons. So what I would do each time is when you come into ALEKS, go over here to the top left to the menu. And when you click down on the menu, you can click on assignments. So when you click on assignments, it's going to let you know what things are open for you to work on. You can see I can still work on chapter 1 today because it's due tonight at midnight. I have 29% of it finished from my knowledge check. And then my quiz chapter 1 is open and that's due on the 27th. So that is due on Monday. And then you can take that twice as well. Also wanted you to know that you can come down here and see the midterm, all these other things are upcoming. And then you can see there weren't a lot that I already did well on my fake knowledge check, but some of you have some things down in here that already have 100% in them. And that's because you scored well on your knowledge check. So this is kind of where you're going to go each time. And then hopefully you found the online textbook for the forum on the graphing. So here is the ebook textbook. So those are the 2 places that you need to go to. There are no worksheets that you have to worry about. The grade book, I would be checking that just to make sure your scores are in there, but they should be getting translated over into Canvas. So I hope you've had a great second week, and your week 3, you're getting ready for that and hopping on and watching the videos and getting going. So reach out if you have any questions. Take care.